The Professional Football Jamaica Limited is distancing itself from what it describes as erroneous claims in the public domain, questioning the company's financial position following the recent resignations of Yoni Epstein and Peter Gould from its finance committee.
In a statement released on Monday, the body moved to reassure stakeholders that both men remain active as club owners and continue to serve on the board of directors, stressing that their departures from the committee do not impact the day-to-day operations or strategic direction of the league. PFJL also pushed back strongly against suggestions of financial instability, revealing that its cash receivables currently exceed aged payables by a ratio of roughly 2-to-1. The organization noted that while there are some delays in collections from partners, this is largely due to wider economic challenges following Hurricane Melissa and not a reflection of insolvency. The statement noted, quote, "We wish to categorically state that any suggestion regarding the insolvency of the PFJL is entirely false." Interim Chairman Donovan White said the league remains on a strong and stable footing, describing the committee changes as part of normal governance. CEO Owen Hill added that despite a challenging operating environment, the league remains confident in meeting its obligations. As the Jamaica Premier League heads into its playoff phase, the PFJL says its focus remains on delivering a high-quality product while urging fans to continue supporting their clubs. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.